3, 2, 1.
In the movie Miracle, Coach Herb Brooks had to cut a player just before the start of the Olympics. Who was the unfortunate player? The answer is B. Ralph Cox. How many suites does the Sheraton have? The answer is C. 10. Bring sauce to dinner party. How would you do this? The answer is A. Keep warm in thermos. What is made up of nerve cells that sense stimuli and transmit signals? The answer is C. Nervous tissue. Which of these plants is the national emblem of Scotland? The answer is B. Thistle. What could have happened to make this person feel frustrated? The answer is D. Pieces of her project were missing. What faith does the narrator have? The answer is D. They are papists. In what year did the Admiralty Court hang 26 pirates in Newport, Rhode Island? The answer is B. 1723. What is the source of the narrator as excitement? The answer is D. All the new innovations. What interesting resting posture does the Indian tree shrew, aka Madras tree shrew, have? The answer is A, with its tail resting on its head. What is formed when a sodium atom and chlorine atom react chemically? The answer is B, a compound. Between 1917 and what year did collectivization of agriculture occur? The answer is B, 1934. The Brooklyn Dodgers were created in what year? The answer is B, 1882. Glucagon and insulin are produced in what organ? The answer is D, pancreas. How do you get rid of tears on your face? How would you do this? The answer is A, let them dry. Which of these actresses was not a student of Uta Hagen? The answer is B, Marilyn Monroe. IQ modulation has been the only method in wired technology since how many years ago?
The answer is A, 100.
How do you tackle someone? How would you do this? The answer is A, run at them full speed. If one were to take the narrator out for a movie, what genre would they like? The answer is B, the narrator would like a thriller. Though the Muslims couldn't take full control of Galicia, when was it that they invaded Spain? The answer is B, 711. Baseball, how would you do this? The answer is A, will hurt a eagle in the sky. What is the active ingredient in cloves? The answer is A, eugenol. A person is walking along the street that has chalk on it. A person in a red shirt, what happens next? The answer is A, is hopping along the street with the chalk on it. Which tool should a student use to compare the masses of two small rocks? The answer is A, balance. Within 1 year either way, in which year did the composer Rachmaninoff and the actor Leslie Howard die? The answer is D, 1943. When was the citizenship laws placed into effect in Burma? The answer is B, 1982. Swallow pills easier. How would you do this? The answer is A, coat pills with layer of butter. Pond ecosystems depend on the water cycle to ensure the survival of the animals that live in or near the pond. If a drought reduces the water level, which population of animals would be most affected? The answer is B, fish. Lethality, he will not stop, ever, until you are dead. What assassin from the year 2029 AD had you better believe when he says he'll be back? The answer is B, Terminator. What year did Nintendo officially discontinue the SNES? The answer is A, 1995. What year did the case go before the Supreme Court? The answer is A, 1978. In which year was the Humble Tea bag introduced by Thomas Sullivan? The answer is C, 1908. When did record companies first attempt to protect their CDs from copying? The answer is C, 2001. What is the process of a cell membrane surrounding a particle and engulfing it, Kels?
The answer is C, phagocytosis.
Eliminate dust bunnies from computer case. How would you do this? The answer is A, turn off computer and use hair dryer. Discussing their memoirs, one pair found that writing them would not have been as easy if they followed the method of the other three pairs. Which pair would that be? The answer is D, Herbert Hoover, Harry Truman. What is the transfer of energy by waves called?
The answer is B, radiation.
Why is the narrator not freaking out about snakes? The answer is D, they are used to them. What did he give her? The answer is C, his phone number. Which of the following conditions is not caused by a mutation in FGFR3? The answer is D, Waardenburg syndrome. What part of the atom's mass is concentrated in its nucleus? The answer is C, 99.9%. When did the U.S. buy Alaska? The answer is A, 1867. Remove rust at the bottom of glass beer mugs. How would you do this? The answer is A, soak in ranch dressing overnight. People are running around to track a woman. What happens next? The answer is D, runs down the track. How many divisions are there in the U.S. Navy? The answer is B, 10. Which is an inherited characteristic of a tree? The answer is D, a thick trunk on a pecan tree. What year was an all-animal Masonic Lodge created? The answer is C, 1901. Reflector cookers can reach temperatures in Celsius of up to what? The answer is C, 315. Why did the writer get caught by the House de Drawbridge? The answer is A, because they reached the area at the wrong time. Charles Early is best known for portraying a comedian born in what year?